So, whether we're working with a kitchen sink or a bathroom sink, the principles are the same. We're gonna try to get the plunger nice and secure, tight seal around the drain. And then if there's an overflow or a second sink, we're gonna wanna plug it. So here I am, I'm plugging the second drain, and we're just gonna push the plunger down a couple times. And there we go. Our sink drains freely. You also want to use a different plunger for the sink than your toilet. All right, so here's our clogged bathroom sink. What do? Well, we're gonna take our plunger, try to get a nice seal around the bottom of the sink. We're gonna take our free hand and we're gonna put a rag over the overflow. When we plunge, this will keep all of the air going down to try to push our block down the drain. So we'll cover it up. A few pushes with the plunger should be good. Maybe one more. Oh, looks like we got it.